Okay, today's a Minecraft tutorial of how to make a Minecraft 1.7.4 or a version near this. How to make basically a plugin. So first you want to start by making a folder for all of your plugins things. I'm just going to make mine called plugins. And now we're going to have two links that you're going to we're going to have two little pages that you're going to download these programs from. The first one is going to be your bukkit, which is the newest running version of the server, whatever version you want to download, because you're going to need this, because this is going to have the basic craft bukkit code, which we're going to implement into our code writing program, which is called Eclipse. Now you download this from eclipse.org/downloads. I'm going to have downloaded in the link, same as the craft bukkit one, which is dl.bukkit.org/downloads/craftbukkit. Then just download the whatever version you would like. 1.7 seems to work fine for me, so, and most servers are running 1.7, so they should have a good version that you like for 1.7. Now you can download Eclipse Standard. I have a Mac OS 64-bit. Whatever type of computer you have will appear there. The website automatically figures out what type of computer you have, so it'll appear which one you get. I already downloaded that, so I want to download again. And now we're just going to go to your downloads folder, or whatever folder you have your downloads saved to. Usually it's downloads. And you're just going to drag them both to your desktop. Okay, so let's drag them both to your desktop. Let's close that window, minimize that. And now we're going to unzip the Eclipse folder so we can actually get the program out. And I'm just going to rename it to Craft Bukkit just for sake of simplicity. But you can, honestly, it doesn't matter what it is named. But once you start making a plugin, do not change the name of the craft bukkit.jar, or do not change the location of where it is from one folder to another. Okay, so after you've unzipped, you should get a folder called Eclipse right there. And now we're just going to drag that into our Minecraft modding folder, plugin folder, just like that. So now I'm just going to make a couple of folders called Finished Plugins, just for the sake of being organized, and another folder called Workspace. So the Workspace folder is going to be where all the code is stored for all of our plugins that we make, and then you can just delete the eclipse.zip or whatever it was that you downloaded. Okay, so now let's drag the craftbukkit.jar in. I'm just gonna rename it again. I don't know. I'm just messing around with some names here to use. So I'm just gonna choose craftbukkit.jar. It's simpler for us. Okay. So now we're going to open up Eclipse. Click on Eclipse folder. Double click on that Eclipse, the little moon with lines, that type of thing, the little ball, hemisphere, whatever you want to call it. What's that hemisphere, whatever. So open up, and it's gonna take a while. It's gonna open that up. Now we're going to choose where all the code is going to be saved. Now we already made a folder called Workspace, which that's where we're going to store. So you're just going to click Browse, and then find the folder you want to save it in, which I'm going to save in the Workspace folder I made, just so it's a little bit easier to find for myself. So click Minecraft modding code, my plugins, and then I'm going to click on Workspace. Click open, click OK, and now it's just going to load everything up. Now every time you open Eclipse, it's always going to ask where you want it to be saved, but it's always going to, by default, have the last location saved, so you can always just click OK when you open up, unless you do want to change where it is. So now you're just going to close the welcome screen, clicking that little X, and we're going to start coding. So today I'm just going to start a medic plugin in which you're going to be able to extinguish yourself if you're on fire. You're going to be able to heal your hunger and heal your health. I'm not going to do the whole tutorial. The actual tutorial for the medikit will be next episode, but we're just going to start it and implement all the code necessary when you first start a mod, basically. I mean a plugin, sorry. I will be doing a mod series, but they haven't released Minecraft Code Pack yet, and I don't want to do a tutorial with not using that because it is very hard to do, and I've spent a couple hours trying to do that. It's really hard. Plus, you should probably have a background in Java code for that. Okay, so Medic. So just click on Medic, right click on the package, click libraries, and click add external jars. So I'm clicking the wrong one, but click add external jars. Click navigate to the folder where you put the crap bucket, which I put in my plugins folder. So I'm just gonna quickly go there, Minecraft modding code, plugins, and then click on your crap bucket jar that you see right there, and then click open. Okay, so click libraries, and then just click OK. So that's all good for now. Now we've implemented. Well, there's a little bit of like lag in the video or something. I'm not sure. I'll try to get fixed for next episode. Something happened. I don't know what. So I'll try to fix that next episode. But for now, just click OK. Now it's gonna implement all the Java code. I mean, all the bucket code, all the bucket commands for this. So if you want to send someone a message, like Java never has to do with Minecraft. But now when you implement bukkit.jar, it's going to implement all the codes used for the Minecraft server. So like slash messenger champion slash game mode 1. It's basically going to implement those commands into this so you can use them for your plugin. Like maybe a spectator plugin that will let you fly and let you go and survive at the same time. So now we're just going to right click on the source package and you're going to make a folder. What I usually do is I do me dot your username dot the mod name. Now you cannot use any capitals. I'm just messing around with names to name it. I'm just going to choose me dot like gamegamers.tw dot medic. Now you can't use any capitals. It will give you an error message when you try to do that. So we're going to right click on the new package we just made, click new, and then go to class. And now you can use use capitals for this. I'm just going to do capital M for medic. And now you're going to do, right after medic, do extends Java plugin. Because what that's doing is that's actually using it. So let's click hover over to import Java plugin. So now, basically what this is doing is after we have the crap bucket, we put it